Hello everyone. So first that I opened it up, it was outside of the IPSY Glam bag. It's from the brand M Princess, and I guess it's shadows in clay color. Yeah, it's eyeshadow. It's this loose eyeshadow. So I see this eyeshadow, and then I see extra product here, which is Paris Waterbomb Ultra Hydrating Glossy Lip Treatment in this nice little package. I'm very curious to open it up and to read all about it. What's so special about this lip gloss balm? Ultra Hydrating Glossy Lip Treatment, an innovative glossy balm conceived in San Francisco and formulated in Paris for the girl who, when asked what she wants out of life, says everything. This softening reparative treatment is a proprietary transportive complex of rose, algae, and essential biolipids with a peppery French rose scent, made with thoroughly chosen plant actives and clean technology. Perfect. So some new approach to lip treatment, lip gloss. See, I like the scent, and you can see right here this nice color, and looks pretty nice. So I definitely gonna try it out and use. And here we go, my last IPSY Glam bag for July 2018. It was in this nice bag. This reminds me about mermaid for some reason. I don't know, maybe the color, maybe the reflection. Again, I have already so many IPSY Glam bags. I was with IPSY, I would say more than a year and a half maybe. Yeah, and then I decided to discontinue. It's again Ofra, which is a familiar, I think I have a couple of products from them. Eyeshadow Millennium Gold, used in palettes and kits. You can see it here. Again, nice eyeshadow. Next one is Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter Ultra Hydrating. So basically I would say it's moisturizer, right? To apply to face day and night after cleansing. For intense hydration, follow with 100% pure argan oil and 100% pure argan oil light. Yeah, Josie Maran, I think it's famous brand, never tried it. And this is basically moisturizer in nice sample size moisturizer. Pretty cool, pretty nice. And again, because it's summer bag, right, hydration is number one. Vintage, and it's, I guess, like a lipstick or something like that. In color papaya, lip gloss in color papaya. Nice lip gloss, nice color, and yeah, I definitely gonna try to wear it. And again, I would say it's again another sample size. Another one. So how many I got? 3, 4, 5. So I think I got this eyeshadow. It's my free product that I picked, and this was the 5th product that just didn't fit into the IPSY Glam bag. I mean, I had so many IPSY Glam bags, and I was watching also other girls videos, and they would say that sometimes IPSY sends some products that's bigger than the actual bag, but that's the first time when I got the product that's actually bigger than my bag. So the number 5 was this. Okay, and the last one is blush. Oh, I love blush. I didn't receive it for a while actually. Proper blush. I mean, right now my favorite, it's again sample size blush that I got from IPSY, one of the IPSY Glam bags, and I absolutely love it, and I still use it. It's almost actually gone, but again, with trying so many different brands, so many different products, I still have few favorites. So I would say that blush that I have almost done, and thank you IPSY for introducing to me. That's my favorite. Another product that I got introduced not through IPSY Glam bags or FabFitFun boxes. I just got it in the store when I went to look for makeup products before even I started to get FabFitFun boxes or IPSY Glam bags. It was concealer, which I absolutely fell in love with, and it's concealer from Benefit. I don't like really liquid concealers. I'm more for stick concealer, but again, everyone is different, right? So that's nice. Pacifica coconut blush, coconut infused blush for your beautiful cheeks. Look at that fantastic package, and I guess it's full-size product for sure. So here we go, winner. Yes, that's the full-size product. Look at that, look at that gorgeous 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 thing. Look at that. Oh, and at the back there is a mirror. There is also a mirror at the back. Who would have thought that? That's very nice. The first time I see blush like that that has a mirror at the back. So it contains so flattering shades. Subtle pink undertones create a natural looking blush that will highlight your pretty face. Shades in Beaming and Tender Heart. So basically it's 2 shades of blush for you to enjoy. One is more pinky, one is more like natural color. So that's amazing. That's my favorite from that box, blush palette like that. That's just amazing. Amazing. Eyeshadow, yeah, great, good, but I mean I had so many. That's interesting product to try. And lip gloss and hydration, yeah, okay, it's necessaries, but I mean not very exciting stuff. So I would say June Glam bag was my favorite. July is a bit less favorite, but because of that it's good. It's good Glam bag, but I'm not regretting to cancel it for now. Yeah, so I think it was, for now, it's the right decision. Okay, thank you for enjoying this video, and I see you next time. Bye bye.